Good morning. This is Robert Pultz. Oops. Good morning. This is Robert Pultz. I'm going to bring up my share here. It's coming. Sure seems to be slow today. Okay. What I wanted to talk to you about today is a project that I've been working on, scoping out for about 9 months. It's a genealogy workflow fan research project based on the Smithfield Lutheran Register from 1792 to 1826. Now, why this is important is that Smithfield, West Virginia, which is eventually, it's Smithfield, Virginia at the time, but eventually becomes Smithfield, West Virginia in Jefferson County. And the census records were burned in the War of 1812 all the way up to 1810. So this could be seen as a census alternative. One of the reasons I'm doing it is for the Facebook group, Bo's Pulse, and Pulse. That's a one-name Facebook group. Those are all the same name if you haven't figured that out. And that's my family name, one of my family names that I'm working on. And there are some concerns about this area and some of the data that doesn't appear to be available. I have I have the publication, but before I get to the publication, I want to say something. Basically, I'm not a professional genealogist. I do these things for myself and for some of the genealogy groups I'm in. So I'm not considered any better than anyone else in those genealogy groups. And I make a lot of mistakes, and I try to put them in here and show you how I recover. So I have a publication of all the members of the church in 1800. And I wanted to do this fan research project. I wanted to do a large-scale fan research project for some time, and this looks like the best opportunity. I have two gaps in my family line that I've identified at the moment, and one is in Virginia, where a lot of things happened, and the other is in Pike County, Illinois, which I may get around to doing someday. I've done some videos on that area already. There's a lot of opportunities with this book. It's got a lot of information in it. For 50 pages, it's really got a lot of information. Major changes that occurred in my family, specifically talking about my line of my family. Their religion changed from Lutheran to Methodism. I don't know whether it happened in Virginia or it happened in Ohio after they moved to Ohio. But somewheres there, Beverly Wright, a Methodist bishop, converted them to Methodism. And that's a story within the family. Beverly and Wright names appear as either first names or middle names all through the family after that point. And down to my father, who is Harry Beverly. He doesn't know he was named after a Methodist minister, but he was. And then one group went to Tennessee, and it seems to have supported the slave economy. I don't know if that's true or not. That's one of the things I want to prove with this. And another group went to Ohio and was anti-slavery. That I know is true because they've written quite a few things about it. The book is the Smithfield Register. I will have a little video on how you can get that off of the Shenandoah Valley site. Want to thank Wust Klaus for taking and converting this from German to English so I could actually read it. Very important for me anyway. I have tried converting some German records, and it takes me a lot longer than it does to read this book. This is a multi-episode video. The plan is to do short one-topic videos. This should allow for more than one experienced user and the experienced user to skip to elementary steps and not sacrificing the elementary steps for those people that don't know how to do them. Or maybe people like me that go in and out of them. the overview of the project and goes, key documents, and a list of proposed episodes, the history of Smithfield and the history of the county locations. I've also thrown in some of the sites in Tennessee. This is the proposed steps. These are basic steps for inputting the data. There's quite a few here, and it takes quite a bit of time to do this. 50 pages, but there's a lot of data on each one of those pages. And these are the steps that I plan on going. Each one of these should be an individual video. So these are the analysis steps. I've already started paper graphing the locations on the map and found that I made errors back in the other. So I've gone back and started to repair those errors. The data that at this point in time, after 9 months of looking at it, appears to be that 40% of the individuals identified are not currently listed in FamilySearch with FamilySearch IDs. The local LDS Society group here is encouraging me to take and add those people in. And if and when I do that, that'll be a video. That'll be 17. Oh, it's listed as 17 now. This is going to be a multi-year project. I'm going to post episodes. I've decided now to post episodes. As I do them, I have some of the episodes will be in the can and posted here in the next couple of days because I've already done and consider them completed. You can tell me whether you think they're completed or not. And that's one of the reasons why I put videos out there, is to get feedback from you on how good I'm doing. Smithfield was founded in 1786. The name was changed because there was a conflicting Smithfield in Virginia in 1806 when they put a post office there, and it was changed to Middleway. So today it is Middleway. Smithfield County, which is Jefferson County today in West Virginia, started out as part of Essex, King, Queen, and King William counties. Then it became Spotsylvania, which is part of the Virginia, British America. Then it became part of Orange. That's my analysis now. And then it became Frederick, and you'll see Frederick used for quite a few of the records. And if I get as far as I would like to with this, I have some Frederick records and some of our family members are in there. And several of the people that are in Smithfield and the church are there. Then it became Berkeley, Virginia, British America. And then it became Berkeley, Virginia, United States, 1786. And then it became Jefferson, Virginia, United States in 1801. These are the locations in Tennessee that I've identified at this point that family members have gone to. This could change at any time, as anything in here could change as the project progresses. This is my current popular YouTube videos in order of popularity. And this is how you contact me. Please let me know what you think of this project. Send me an email. I can't take comments because my consultant for doing these videos is underage, and when you take and put underage people on your list, they don't allow comments. That's a YouTube thing. All right. Enjoy the fan research project. Let me know what you think and make suggestions about what I can do better. Thank you. Hello, this is Robert Pultz, and wanted to share a few things with you. Okay, the first thing is let's see, let's let it get up here. Here it is. This is my little crib sheet. And this is how you find the book, the Smithfield Lutheran Register. It's part of the Shenandoah Valley Genealogical Society. It's their book number 12. Which doesn't, the only place it seems to appear is in the source citation. And here's the website. Now the website's a little tricky. So let's go there. Here's what you see when you comes up. If you go paging down here, it's not going to help you much. But if you hit shop, you get this screen, which is a nice screen. It's got a lot of books there. I'm going to explore more of them. And you go to churches, and then you take and come down here to where it says page 2. And then you keep on going down from the middle of the page, of course. And the book that we want is the Smithfield Lutheran Register, 1792 to 1826. It's for Middle Way, Jefferson County, which is Smithfield, and it costs $10. Not a bad price for what you get. Anyway, that's what I wanted to take and tell you today. So you can take and